Hi everyone, just doing a quick video on my Isometrus melanodactylus scorpions. So this is how I keep them. I keep them in a double click-clack container. So I've got male and female here, breeding pair. Just find out, here's the male. And just put a bit of light. Beautiful coloration on these scorpions. Nasty sting though. You don't want to be stung by one of these. It's the male, and the female is just in here. Now this boy has a nice looking tail on him. See if I can get him to wander a little bit. And straight into the sphagnum moss hiding. They're pretty easy to keep, these scorpions. They get to about 30 to 55 millimeters and usually found within rainforest. Yeah, so they're just kept on cocoa peat and the sphagnum moss and the bark because they like to hide in that, often found in trees. And yeah, feed them once a week with their crickets. And wish I had a better kind of a camera so you could see them as well as I can, because they're really pretty. Anyway, wanted to show you guys these. So that's them. Thanks.